2015 to 2020 GMC Yukon USB replacement. What's up, everybody? I am in a GMC Yukon. I'm going to be replacing this USB. If you have one that looks like this, I'm going to show you how to replace it. First, you want to get a plastic blue interior tool like this. I'll link one below, and possibly a small flathead to help with removing the connectors on the USB. First thing we want to do is take our blue interior tool and kind of push it in between here and the center console. And you're just going to push this in between and kind of wiggle it and twist this, and it should pop it forward. You're trying to compress that little white spring clip right there. It's plastic. And once you get this side out, you kind of just want to take this hook side and just kind of work your way around and try to pop the other side forward. And then this USB should come out. At this point, they're very stubborn and sometimes they come apart while you're doing it. But, you know, we'll get it out. And once you get it out, we got 3 connectors. This little small flathead comes in handy for this black connector right here. The center button is kind of tiny. If you have fat fingers like me, it's tough. Then we got to get this silver one out, or this gray one. You push that little thumb tab and pull it backwards. Never pull by the wires, always pull by the connectors, or you can pull the USB forward, get these other ones disconnected. These wires are going to want to suck back into the center console. Do something to block them from going back in. Even if they look like they're not, they're going to eventually slide back in, so be careful. Here it is right here. Here's the part number. Yours will probably have this part number on it. Now, these are sold on Amazon. They actually sell the genuine GM part. I believe that's the only one available. And so here it is. Once we get it, we're just going to put the wire connectors back in. And then it's pretty much reverse order. So first I'll get my gray connector in. Make sure it's in tight. The gray and black connector have a connector within a connector. So you got to make sure they're lined up perfect and then slide them in. They're kind of tricky. And then you want to get this top one in right here. Push this in, and then that's pretty much it. Now we're going to push this in. It has a little ridge on the top that goes in the little guide on the center console. Push this in, it should snap into place, and then that's it. You don't have to reprogram the computer or the radio or nothing like that. You just pop it in and you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code gearmoauto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type gearmoauto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.